What's up, YouTube? This is 188 Koa, and I'm gonna show you guys my airsoft stuff I got from my uncle, and he bought this from his local airsoft store, and he added some stuff because I asked him for some things that I needed for my gun. But let's get to it. I already opened it, but because I just want to see if it was the right stuff, because I also bought something else from Airsoft. So let's take this stuff out. First in the box, a standard M4 mag, which I asked for him. The things that I asked from him was one standard M4 mag and a high cap mag, safety glasses. What else? A speed loader, and just a dummy grenade. Dummy grenade right here. High cap mag. Oh, and I forgot that I asked him to give me a 8.4 volt battery, 1200 mAh. I'm not sure if it is a large type or a mini type, and hopefully that works. I'll show a review of everything right here. You know, even with the battery, I'm probably gonna put in my gun and test it out. Speed loader, which I asked for him. I needed this for the standard mag because I don't want to, put it in manual. Safety glasses. Wow. Cool. Okay. And this must be the thing he bought from his local airsoft store. There's nothing in the box. Let's see. Nothing in there. So where they're at, so here's the thing that I asked him for, I asked him to buy from me, airsoft vest. See it? So I'm just gonna show you guys what's on it. What's it called? There's a not a pistol pouch. I forgot what to call them, but you put the pistol in here and put like a mag right here. Also got a belt which you put other mags in, like pistol mags. On the top, you have more pistol mags, or you can fit your battery in. Like, say, fit this battery in and see if it fits. Dude, that fits perfect. Perfect. Yeah, up here, there's a miscellaneous pouch. See? Also, I bought some other stuff. I mean, not bought, but I asked my dad to give me some pouches, cause he's in the army, and he was able to give me his pouches. That's from his ACU. Here's the first patch. I mean, not pouches, sorry guys, patch. There it is. And the next one is the American flag. See, in color. So I'll put that on. Sorry guys, I just want to see how it looks with the pouches on and the patches. And last one. There you go. And then 3 and 4 it's called pouches. And when you want, let's go pistol holster. When you want to take the holster out, you got you know, not Molly, but this right here. Go to the back. You got the same thing. See? So that's everything I got from my uncle and my dad. It's the best. Dummy grenade, 2-4 mags, speed loader, safety glasses, and a 12 mAh battery. Thank you, YouTube. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.